Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. It only has one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, side steps, a removable convertible hardtop, and much more. When the itinerary includes mud, rocks, and/or sand, this all-American Bulldog is the champ. This Jeep has 18-inch polished satin carbon wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite LED headlamps along with fog lights, 2 tow hooks, a winch by XRC, and the iconic Jeep Grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Jeep has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 22.5 fuel gallon tank. Let's not forget that this Jeep only has 14,154 miles on it. At the back of the Jeep, you can see the removable back window and the rear wiper, along with the tow package and large brake lights. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features a durable floor mat and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Jeep has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, illuminated cup holders, and power outlet. The Jeep is also equipped with a large locking glove box, door bins, and leather-wrapped shift knob. This Jeep has a very comfortable tilting and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Alongside controls for the power mirrors and power windows, the center stack is also home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. You also have a large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.